Alright, now we are back to soldering said. Hold on a second. Let me put all my stuff away. Give me a moment. Back to soldering that home button onto this iPad mini. Alright, so as you can see, similar to the Digitizer connector, the iPad mini home button flex cable has these gold dots on either side that align quite easily with these two gold dots here. So what you do is just come over to here, essentially aligning them. And I've already put the home button down here. It's got the gasket underneath, which you want to make sure that you remove. If you don't already know that, I'm sure you do. Well, actually, if you aren't doing the soldering, that you probably don't know, make sure there's a little black ring underneath the home button gasket that also needs to come with it, or else the home button will be set under. But oh. You gotta get a little bit of flux in here. That's a little bit too much. Get it on there, kind of. Put that off to the side. Let me find my other tweezers. Alright, so now we're just going to before align the flex cable so that you can hopefully see. You can see it kind of coming into. But just to go over it just a little bit. It's kind of a pain to do this sometimes. There's that one. You can see that is lined up. You can see it through the glass, and there's that one. So then, let me turn my soldering up a little bit. Hold this down. Alright, being right now about 411 degrees Celsius here. We're just going to do the same type of deal, just kind of work our way along. So you have the flux, you don't really need to put too much more solder in, at least to start it off, but it is a good idea to add some. Just trying to untangle this. It is a good idea to add some. So we'll just go a little bit on here. And as I said before, just kind of work our way along as in the Digitizer connector. So it's not really fun. Tip's not clean, gotta make sure that it is. But you will have issues. As you see, it flows a lot better once it's clean. So you're looking for all that silver there. Essentially, that is soldering. And then once you've done soldered, you just grab this little blue thing off here, fold this clip out of the way, and then just flip this and kind of set it into place, aligning the home button bracket over here. Stick it down, and that's it. Good to go. And I'll show you again once I get set up that it's all functioning in the end, so stay tuned. Peace out.